Hello, welcome to today's daily message. Last week, I completed a mini series, if you will, on first century Israel, on Israel immediately before, during, and after the life of Jesus. And I want to just refocus on a couple of points that I made in my talks over the last couple of weeks. The first one has to do with the fact that at the time of Jesus, Israel was very much a purity society. So there were many people, many classes of people who were considered impure and therefore not to be contacted, not to be communicated with, not even to be touched. So persons who were lepers were impure. Sinners were seen as impure. In general, poor people were considered impure. Women were considered impure. And Gentiles were considered impure. Now, why do I bring up that point? If you look at that list that I just mentioned, and then reflect on those people whom Jesus spent much of his time with, you'll see that Jesus directly challenged the purity laws of the people of his time. He spent his time and his energy with women, with lepers, with prostitutes, with Gentiles, with people whom most Jews considered to be unacceptable or outcasts. And that has relevance for us today because as followers, as disciples of Christ, it is our call first and foremost to spend our time and our energy with those among us who are considered impure or outcast, or most vulnerable. Most people in our society don't want to have anything to do with people who are poor. Some don't want to have anything to do with people of color, with immigrants, with prisoners, with sick people. These are the very people to whom we are called to serve, to minister to first and foremost. And so we can learn something from Jesus's challenge to the purity laws of first century Israel by the way that we live our lives and by the way that we spend our time with the outcast, the impure people of today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.